Your phone's touchscreen is dead, delayed, or ghost touching. Before spending thousands on repairs, let me show you quick fixes that work most of the time. Touchscreen issues happen because of software glitches, moisture, dirt, or cheap protectors. Follow these steps carefully. They usually solve 80% of problems without opening your phone. 1. Clean the screen properly. Use a microfiber cloth. Avoid tissues or wet wipes with chemicals. Make sure your hands are dry. Sometimes dirt or moisture triggers ghost touches or unresponsiveness. 2. Remove cheap screen protectors. Low-quality protectors can prevent the touch layer from sensing properly. Peel it off and test. 3. Restart or force reboot. Many touchscreen issues are just software glitches. Restarting often fixes delayed or frozen touch response. 4. Update your phone software. Buggy OS versions can mess with touch sensors. Update iOS or Android to the latest stable release. 5. Reset settings. If the screen is still not responding, reset settings. Settings General Reset all settings. This doesn't delete your data, but resets configurations that could cause touch issues. 6. Check for water damage or hardware fault. If none of the above works, the digitizer may be damaged. That's when you need a professional repair. Bring your phone to Bemi Gadgets if it still misbehaves. We repair screens, fix ghost touches, and ensure your device works like new.